What if there was a way you could attract and retain good talent, increase productivity and profitability, show your employees that you mean it when you say you're committed to equity and inclusivity? What if we told you there is one toolkit that can help you do that, and that it's free of charge, and that it can fit into your busy week? Introducing the Pay Equity Solution for Small Business Do-It-Yourself Toolkit, created by Ontario's Pay Equity Office. This toolkit will help you analyze your compensation practices and support your business while also complying with the law. The Pay Equity Toolkit guides you through 7 steps to complete a pay equity analysis. Simply enter the necessary information, and it will complete the calculations for you. The toolkit also allows you to move back and forth between steps and revise the information you've entered as needed. Short explanatory videos and written instruction have been added throughout to help you along the way. You can also stop, save your work, and resume at any time. So, what are you waiting for? Use the link in the description below to download your copy of the toolkit today.